All right, this video is going to be about solving absolute value equations. So one thing that is special about absolute values is anything on the inside always turns positive. So it is possible in this example that's given right here that if I have this equation that what's inside my radical equals 8, and when I take side, I shouldn't say radical, inside the absolute value bars is 8, and when I take the absolute value, I get 8. But it's also possible that when I have a negative 8 on the inside and take the absolute value, that I get 8. So notice right here, we have to set up two linear equations when this is the case. Here is some more information for you. Let's jump down and look at some of our examples. So the first thing we want to do is isolate the absolute value expression. And then as long as c is greater than 0, we know that there are two solutions. There we go. So let's look at A. I know that for this equation to be true, 6x plus 4 could be positive 8, but also 6x plus 4 could be negative 8. And when I take the absolute value, I would get 8. So subtract 4 and divide by 6. We could reduce this to 2/3. If I subtract 4 and divide by 6, I get negative 2. When I look at B, though, I'm noticing that C, this value over here, is less than 0. If C is less than 0, then there is no way for me to get any type of solution for this problem. So we have no solution on part B. All right, let's look at part C. Now I need to isolate the absolute value first. So I'm going to add 4 to this other side. I then split from here. So I know 3x minus 5 could be positive 10 and I'd have a solution. Or 3x minus 5 could be negative 10 and I would have a solution. All right, I'm going to add 5, divide by 3, add 5, and divide by 3. And those are my two solutions for this absolute value equation.